Hi students, good morning to everyone. In this sessions we will see the last exercise number 8, title Web Page with Pre-Built Template. Already we finished 7 exercises in the previous session. This is the last exercise. You have to take more and more practice because you avoid the risk and difficulties during the semester examinations. The Internet Lab programming, all the programs are to be written in the HTML programs. It is very easy one. Already I send PDF copy of all program to you through the Google Classroom. This program PDF copy also sent to you through the Google Classroom. In the previous all programs are small. This program is a little bit large. We come to the point. Web page with pre-built template. We build a template that we can be used for any web page, that help to create a web page as per the requirement of the user. Some source code are defined and written in the HTML program. When you execute this exercise number 8, web page with pre-built template, you may get the output that appear on the screen. In this program, we defined 4 menus. It is appear on the screen, top of the screen, right side. About, contact, FAQ, help. Similarly, in the left side of the screen, top left side, cool logo, that words is appeared. Instead of these words, as per the user requirements, the user can be change the words. Half of the word which appeared in the dark and half of the word which appeared in dim, but both of the word, both are be used a color blue. As per the user requirement, the demands of the user can be changed. The name, the heading tags, the logos and menus, etc. In the left hand side of the screen, 5 links are given. When you click the link, it will be point to the specific program. Similarly, 5 links are given. These 5 links is called to the interlinked program, the specified program. In the center, the titles also be given in the heading tags, which is used blue color, and the heading which is the fonts which is appeared in the white color. Header and footers are defined in this web page. In the footer, there are three headings lines are there, and some contents is to be exist. Instead of these heading tags, the user can be write as per the requirement and demand of the user. This program is little bit large than the previous programs, but it may be help to create a web page as per the user requirement. You need not be change the entire program, just you have to be alter wherever you want, wherever you want to change. Even you can be insert a logo at the top of the left page. This web page is a template, is a pre-built template. It may be help to, and it will be useful to all the users. They can be changed as per the demand of them. The background color, the heading color, the contents that are to be predefined here. The contents may be changed, even the heading may be changed, the link may be provided. As per the user needs. The structure of the web page is given here. As per this structures, one or two menus or links or any footer may be removed from this web page easily. Creating a web page, and the first time some people doesn't have an idea how to create a web page of their own. It will be helpful to them to create this own web page using this template, and they can be add their profiles, their photos, even the informations regarding them, etc. We come to the point how to create this web page using the source code, using the HTML programs. We will be discussed one by one lines. Every HTML programs which begin with the HTML tag and end with and closed with the HTML tags at the end of the program. In this program, the font colors, the background colors, the style of fonts, the margin, and the cascading style sheet, different types of styles, the color, are clearly predefined. Earlier in the previous sessions I discussed there are 6 different heading tags are supported in the HTML programs H1 to H6. H1 is a larger than the other heading tags, whereas the H6 is a very small than the rest of tags. So color also be defined here, color equal to dark blue, and the heading tags H1 to H6 are defined. The background color also be defined here. If you want to be change the color, you can easily change the dark blue instead of this red color or any other yellow, white, etc. You need not be create a total the entire web page, so it also be highlighted using the slash asterisk logo, then asterisk slash, so the HTML program is not be considered this line. So here logo which color is dark blue, right, and the color also be, you can be change the color dark red, you can be change the color as an yellow color, red color, blue color, white color, etc. And similarly we come to the next one. So this is a logo, so this is a logo, cool logo, the name also be given. Suppose someone wants to be change the name of the logo, it can be changed the name of the logo instead of this name. So here the dark blue color decorations is none, and color which are the color code are to be defined here. And we come to the next one about the header background colors, which is an color code is defined, and header inner how it look and as per the demand of the user, as per the requirement, the outlook of this header. Here the background color of this header is dark blue, and the font color is white. And similarly the features, right, the features means it is a center body of the text, which is a the background color is given, and these are all be predefined, right, and the menu color also be, so total you have and 4 menus are there in the output, about, contact, and FAQ help. These 4 menus, when you click this menu, it will be when you click it, it changed, the color is changed, and it accept the link, and you go to this menu, the symbol will be changed as an hand symbol. So there are the 4 menus how is predefined here, and the content of this web page, every end of this line it must be continue in the next line, and a footer also be, already I said that header and footer is defined in this page. So here footer, there are three footers are there, and three footers has and different three headings lines. So here footer heading lines, these are our footer blurb. So it is an blue color that ought to be defined and justify the footer colors, and it is splitted into the three part, right? The footer background color is defined, and a footer background color which is blue, and the decorations alignment is center, and the left background color. So all are be defined here. Then the script is written here. For the body of the script, here the requirement, the user can be changed the body of the contents as per the demand and as per the needs of the user. The name of the logo is written here, cool logo. So cool is an which is appeared in the dark blue, and the logo which is appeared as a light blue, and it also the text is appeared in the dim, right? It is the background color is an dim, but the logo cool is an dark. Instead of this name, the user can be changed the name as per the requirement, and four menus are given. The menu names also be given here, about and the next menu is contact, FAQ and help. So these four menus is be appeared and displayed on the screen, about contact and FAQ. So these are four menus which is about contact, FAQ and help. These four menus appear top left side of this web page, and the user can be change the name of the menus when he wants to be create a new web page. And five links which is appeared in the left side of this web page, 1 2 3 4 5 links. Instead of this five links, link 1, link 2, link 3 up to link 5, the user can be use the link program that will be called when it click the link. And footers, headers, footers also be defined in this web page. And finally the program is closed with the HTML tags. Hence you learn a pre-built template is used to create a web page. It given the structures of the web page. The web page can be modified as per the demand of the user, as per the requirement, or as per the needs of the user. Some contents may be removed, some contents may be added in the web page. A general structure is given how to create a template, how the web page is to be have header, how to create a header, how to create a logo. The footers and headers are to be defined in the web page. Instead of this word headings, the user can be changed instead of the heading tags, the name as per the requirement. Hence, I would like to be conclude these sessions with this topic. All 8 exercises were finished. You have to be take more and more practice. I send a PDF copy to you through the Google Classroom. You have to be take more practice, because to avoid the difficulties during the semester examinations. We will be meet in the next sessions with a new topic. Thank you for watching this video.